Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this rational equation 3 divided by 2 minus a equals to 1 divided by 4a. And now we are going to find the value of 8a power 3 plus 1 divided by 8a power 3. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this rational equation. And here I have copied it down, and let's go ahead and move this negative a on the right hand side. So we are going to get 3 divided by 2 equals to a plus 1 over 4a. And now let's go ahead and multiply by 2 on both sides. I'm going to multiply on this side, and I'm going to multiply on this side as well. And now we can see that this 2 and 2, they cross each other out. So we ended up with 3 equals to, on the right hand side, we are going to distribute this thing. That's going to give us 2a plus 2 divided by 4a. And in this next step, 2 divided by 4a has been reduced to 1 divided by 2a. And this could also be written as 2a plus 1 divided by 2a equals to 3. Let me go ahead and call this our equation number 1. And here's our next step. Let's recall this well-known cubic identity, a plus b whole power 3. Now let's go ahead and apply this formula on this equation 1. And here I have copied down our equation 1. Let's go ahead and take a cube on both sides. I'm going to take power 3 on both sides. And now we are going to apply this formula on this left hand side. So the left hand side could be written as 2a whole power 3 plus 1 over 2a power 3 plus 3 times 2a times 1 divided by 2a times 2a plus 1 divided by 2a. And on the right hand side, this 3 power 3 is same as 27. And now we can see 2a whole power 3 is same as 8a power 3 plus 1 divided by 2a power 3 is same as 1 divided by 8a power 3 plus this 2a and 1 divided by 2a, they cross each other out. So we ended up with simply 3 and then times. And now we can see that this 2a plus 1 over 2a is same as 3 from this equation 1. So therefore I am going to replace it by 3 equals to, on the right hand side we have 27. And now we are going to simplify it furthermore. 8a power 3 plus 1 divided by 8a power 3 plus 3 times 3 is 9 equal to 27. And now let's go ahead and subtract 9 from both sides. This is gone. So we ended up with 8a power 3 plus 1 divided by 8a power 3 equals to 27 minus 9 is 18. So thus our answer turns out to be 8a power 3 plus 1 divided by 8a power 3 is 18. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.